Hi friends, my name is Achyuta. Today I am going to discuss about two small concepts which is basic. The concepts are base and complement. First we will discuss about base. What is a base? Generally in number system we have only 10 numbers, that is from 0 to 9. After 9 the numbers will repeat. See, all these numbers will repeat themselves in a specific order after numbers like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. That means after 10 all numbers will repeat, like after 10, 11, 12, 2 is repeated, 13, 3 is repeated, like that. Bases are the numbers starting with 1 and followed by number of zeros. That means 10 is a base, 100 is a base, 1000 is a base, 10,000 is a base, like that. Basically, base is a number is starting from 1 followed by number of zeros. That is called a base. See, we are giving small example for not a base number. That means 300, 1100, 1001, 2100. These are not the base numbers. Base number is starting with 1 followed by number of zeros. I am giving you a small test for this concept is clear or not. Pause this video and answer for these 5 questions. See, now I am answering for these questions. 400 is not a base number. Say 1200 is also not a base number. It's not a base. 1000, it is starting with 1 and following by number of zeros. So it is a base number. 450 is not a base number. 10, it is starting with 1 and following by number of zeros. So it is a base number. Hope this concept is clear. This concept will be used for adding, subtraction, multiplication. Is and all for doing quick purpose we are learning this concept. Next we are going for another concept, complement. Complement. This is also same. It is used for quick calculations like subtraction, multiplication, division, finding squares, cubes, etc. and so on. See here how to find a complement. First of all, what is a complement? A complement, if you are adding the two numbers, the output is the nearest base. Then number 1 is the complement of number 2 and number 2 is the complement of number 1 and so on. For example, I am taking 36. 36 plus 64 is coming to nearest base. So 36 is a complement of 64 and 64 is a complement of 36. Now I am explaining another example. I am taking 46. 46 I am calculating the complement of 46. How I can calculate? Base, that is the nearest base number is 100. 100 minus 46, that is equal to 54. While doing this 100 minus 46, we are feeling little bit tough. Now I am explaining a small technique to do little bit quick. See, now I am doing for 67. 67, it is a 2-digit number. So the first one is subtracted from 9 and the last one is subtracted from 10. That means basically the last number will be subtracted from 10 and previous numbers will be subtracted from 9. So we can calculate in a quick way. So here the answer is 33. For this same, the last number will be subtracted from 10. The first 2 digits will be subtracted from 9. 6, 5, 7. The last number will be subtracted from 10 and the first 2 digits will be subtracted from 9. We can do like this also. 9, 9, 10. 3, 4, 3. First digit is subtracted from 9. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. 10 minus 3 is 7. The answer is 657. Now we are taking another example for decimal. This is also same. We are considering 9, 9, 9, 10, 4, 5, 0, 0.5. So 0.5. See here, 10 minus 5 is 5. Point 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. The answer is 549.5. Hope this technique is clear. Pause this video and try for. I will give 2 tests. One is I am giving test. First one is 75. Second one is 45.5. Pause this video and try for these two. For 75, The complement is first digit 9 minus first digit, 9 minus 7 2, 10 minus the last digit, it is 5. The same here, complement is 9 minus first digit 5, 9 minus second digit 5 minus 9 minus 5 4, 10 minus last digit. Hope this technique is clear. That's it for this video. Hope I will see you in the next video where we can apply these techniques for doing better and quick multiplication. Thank you. Take care and Jai Hind.